One of the reasons that you're not making sales on your website could be your product images. Product images are so important, and it's the first thing that people see when they click onto your website. Most customers and viewers don't read your description first. They actually look at your product images. And at that point, they've already made a decision on whether they trust your store or not. In the next few minutes, I'm gonna be teaching you exactly how to make branded product images using AI so that you could build trust right off the bat and start making sales. Back in 2018, you would have to hire a professional photography team, editors, and things like that to actually get good product images. But now in 2025, you could get branded product images that are way better in less than 5 minutes using AI. Product images aren't just something nice to look at, they're the first thing that your customer sees. In dropshipping, trust is everything. So if your product images look generic, you lose trust right off the bat, and they're definitely not gonna purchase from you. Every other dropshipping store is using those generic product images. So what's gonna set you apart from a normal dropshipping store to a store that actually produces profit is number one, your product images. Now with AI, you could create branded product images so fast and so easy. You don't have to hire photographers or do anything like that. And I'm gonna walk you through the exact process on how to make AI branded dropshipping product images in less than 5 minutes. So without further ado, let's hop into it. Alrighty, so the first step when creating branded product images is number one, you wanna take the images that you currently have, whether they're from AliExpress, Amazon, a competitor's website, whatever they are, make sure that you have some sort of images of your product already. Throw it into ChatGPT like you see on the screen. I went ahead and threw 9 product images into ChatGPT, create 9 new product images with a 1:1 ratio. And this is what it came up with. It kind of came up with something generic. The text was kind of cut off on the top and it wasn't exactly what I was looking for. So I just re-entered the prompt and I said, can you make a 1:1 ratio, or can you make an image 1:1 ratio that showcases the product in action with some benefit icons adding product benefits? And this is what it came up with. Super clear and concise image. I mean, this image is really good. The only thing that was concerning was these product benefits were a little low to the left, bottom left, and they were kind of cut off at the bottom. So all I simply said was create another 1:1 ratio image that the product benefits are clear and have enough spacing from the border of the image. And this is what it came up with. I mean, this image is, you know, top tier. If you go to another competitor's website, they're not gonna have this image on their store. It looks super clear. You know, it looks branded. Just overall, just a better product images with those benefits and benefit icons. So that's one product image that you could go ahead and utilize for your dropshipping store. And then all I simply said was create another image showcasing the product in action in a new way and make sure the ratio is 1:1. And boom, just like that, another high quality image. I mean, it's gonna be really, really hard to capture an image like that from a normal camera. So utilizing AI is gonna set you apart from a lot of dropshippers and a lot of different brands. So just reiterating the different prompts in ChatGPT and utilizing those videos as product images are gonna be way better than the generic product images from AliExpress, Amazon, and things like that. Now create me a 1:1 ratio showing the attachments to the cleaning brush. So this is what it kind of came up with. I feel like the product image that originally came with the product is a little bit better than the ChatGPT image, but like I said, ChatGPT does provide better product images overall. Then I simply said, create me an image of the product in action, 1:1 ratio, and add a 30-day money back guarantee. This is what it came up with. It was kind of generic, so I just changed the prompt just slightly. I said, create me another image, but make it the 30-day money back guarantee pop more and be in the top center of the image, 1:1 ratio. And this is what it came up with. I mean, it's just super clear, super concise. It's very branded. And another thing that you could go ahead and actually do to utilize, and another thing that you could do to make these images even better is, for example, if you wanted to take this image right here, you could go ahead and download it to your computer, open it up in Canva, and just drag and drop this image into Canva. And what you could do, you could actually upload your logo and add it onto this product image like so. So in order to add your branding onto this product image, all you have to simply do is just drag and drop your logo onto the Canva, click the background remover, and boom, just like that, you could add your brand image, your brand name onto this image as well. And then another cool thing that you could go ahead and do is you could add a money back guarantee. So you could add like a 30-day money back guarantee, maybe something like this, or you could go ahead and see what Canva has. I like to utilize maybe something like this as well. and you could just go ahead and drag and drop that down. Now this product image is already 10 times better than your competitors. You have your branding on the image looks clear, concise, and you also added this trust badge, 30-day money back guarantee. There's a bunch of different money back guarantees that you could go ahead and utilize as well, like something like this could pop more. You just gotta have to play with it and see what looks good, see what doesn't look good, but this is gonna set you apart from 99% of dropshippers, because most dropshippers just take the AliExpress images and utilize that. Now you're taking this a step further and ChatGPTing the images, so number one, they look clear. Now you're adding your logo, you're adding your branding, and you're adding money back guarantees, so it's building trust all the way around. Now, for example, say that your image wasn't as clear as you want it. Another thing that you could go ahead and do is you could click edit and you could scroll down to image upscaler. And this image upscaler is gonna actually upscale your image even further, so it looks clear, concise, and even better resolution. So your image is gonna look clear overall. So we'll wait for this to upscale our image, and boom, just like that. You could go ahead and see the before and after. I mean, it's already pretty clear, but you could go ahead and replace it, and the image is gonna look just a little bit more cleaner and a little bit more clear. And these are the steps that you have to do to build trust with your store. I mean, product images are the most important aspect in dropshipping stores because it's the first thing that your customers are gonna see. If you have bad product images, then your customers aren't gonna trust you and they're not gonna purchase on your website. So making sure that you're generating ChatGPT images like so, and you can also utilize Canva to add your branding, your logo, and stuff like that. And that's how you create high converting product images that's actually gonna build trust with your customers and make them wanna purchase on your store. If you actually want your store to stand out, these are the steps that you're gonna have to take to outcompete your competitors and build trust and make the sales that you're looking for. These little steps is the difference between someone trusting your store and clicking away. Now, if you want AI to not only build your product images, but also build your entire store and pick winning products for you, all you have to simply do is go to storebuild.ai, and storebuild.ai will generate an entire website with winning products already vetted by AI. So you're utilizing AI for the entire process to build your store in less than 5 minutes, as well as create product images, copy, and you could also utilize AI to generate high converting ads that actually convert viewers into paid customers. So if you guys want me to dive deeper in product research or website development, or how we could actually utilize AI to build a branded dropshipping store and actually make sales, just leave it in the comments below. Now, if you guys found value in this video, make sure that you guys hit the like button and the subscribe button, because I'm going to be dropping more videos on how we could utilize AI to build branded dropshipping stores and how we could utilize AI to make more sales in dropshipping. So make sure you guys stay tuned in, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.